In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to your Kajabi account step by step. This process is straightforward, but it requires attention to detail to ensure that your new admin has the correct permissions and access. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page with various account settings. Now, locate the Account section, and within it, choose Account Users. This is where you can manage all users associated with your Kajabi account. To add a new user, simply click on the button labeled Plus New User. This will open up a form where you can enter the details of the person you wish to add. Carefully fill in the form, starting with the user's first and last name. Then, be sure to enter the correct email address where the new user will receive their invitation email. This is crucial for ensuring they receive the necessary instructions to access the account. Next, you'll need to assign a role to the new user. Since you're adding an admin, you'll want to select Administrator from the role options. Remember, giving someone the role of an administrator provides them with almost full access to the account, excluding billing information. So choose wisely and make sure it's appropriate for the task they need to perform. It's also important to assign the new user to at least one site within your Kajabi account. This step is required for their access to be valid. Without it, the user won't be able to reach the account and perform their duties. Once you've carefully filled out all the necessary details, go ahead and click on the Save or Create button to finalize the process. Upon doing this, Kajabi will automatically send an invitation email to the new user. They'll need to open this email, which will contain a verification link. By following the link, they will be prompted to verify their account and set their own password, completing the setup process. After they've set everything up, it's a good idea to confirm that they can log in and access the areas you've assigned. This verification step ensures everything is working smoothly and the user can perform their responsibilities without any issues. If, for any reason, you need to change their role in the future, don't worry. You can easily go back into Settings, navigate to Account Users, select the user, and then click on Edit to change their role. Just make sure to save any changes you make. And that's it. You've successfully added a new admin user to your Kajabi account. This setup will allow your team to work efficiently and effectively, ensuring your Kajabi account is managed with the appropriate access levels. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found